Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer with Olympia Piano. This is a short advanced warm-up in the key of F major. We're going to be doing 6 different skills in this warm-up. And this video is basically going to be a run-through. If you'd like a little more technical tips, please watch the corresponding videos in either C or G, where I talk a little bit more about the technique. So we're going to start with 4 octave scales. We're going to do right, left, together. Metronome is 90. 1, 2, ready. Go. Left hand. Hands together. Part 2 of the warm-up is called a formula pattern scale. What we're going to do in this is practice our parallel versus our contrary motion. We're going to do it in 2 octave increments, so 2 octaves up, then out, then in, up, down, out, in, back, down. We're going to move the metronome down to 70 for this. Just keep track of 4 notes to a click. Ready? Go. Up. Down, out, in, down. Part 3 of the warm-up is going to be arpeggios. We're going to do root first and second inversion, 3 octave arpeggios, hand separately only for this video. Metronome will be 90. So we'll start with right hand root position, 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. Left hand, 5, 4, 2, 1. Then right hand, 1, 2, 4. Ready, go. 5, 4, 2, 1. And then 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 4, second inversion. Left hand, 5, 3, 2, 1. Part 4 of the warm-up is going to be a chord progression. We're going to do 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1 in all inversions. So we'll start root position. F major is your 1 chord, moves up, B flat, second inversion, back down to 1, down to your 5 chord, add the 7th, 5, 7, C7, 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1. Starting first inversion, motion will remain the same. 1 moves up to B flat, 4 chord, root position, back down, 1, first inversion, notes move down for the 5 chord, 5, 7, add the 7, back to 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1. And finally, second inversion, 1, F, moves up to first inversion, B flat, down to F, down to the 5 chord, C major, add the 7th on top, and back. 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1. For these, see which fingering works the best for your hand because there's a few different ways you can do it. Part 5 of the warm-up is tonic 4-note chord inversions, and we're going to do broken, then blocked. Metronome will be 90. Here we go. Ready? Go. Left hand. Together. 2 octaves apart. Ready, go. Part 6 of the warm-up is chromatic scales. Because we're back to white key scale, I'm going to go back to the traditional chromatic fingering, which is 3 on every black key and 1, 2 when we have the 2 white keys in a row. So we are going to do 2 octaves with each hand. First time is going to be forte, second time is going to be piano, F to F. Ready? Go. Left hand, same thing. We'll start with 1, ready, go. Piano. And that's it. You've completed the advanced warm-up in the key of F major. I hope that you found it helpful. We have one more video to go in this round 1 of advanced warm-up. So please subscribe, share, mention. You can even donate if you found this series helpful. You can do that through PayPal, or you can do that with the super thanks at the bottom. I love to know where you're from, so please leave that for me in the comments, and I will look forward to seeing you in the last video in this series, F minor. As always, thank you for watching.